Okay, this is MCQ number 3 for US CMA question. So I got it from some internet. So this is the question. If you read it, they are offering some two types of discounts by us two different suppliers. So on the borrowing rate, if you borrow the some money from the bank, from the market, anyone, it will be like 15%. The question is like you need to decide. I mean, you need to make a decision based on the situations. The situations are these four. For example, the first one, you can't accept the cash discounts because the opportunity cost is 12.29%, which is lower than the market borrowing rate, which is 15%. If you look B, they are saying you should avail itself of the cash discount. You should avail the cash discounts because the opportunity cost is 37.63%, which is higher than the market borrowing rate. Okay, if you go for the option C, you can see they are saying like a break-even point within if you make the payment within 35 days. So wow. And if you look the D, you can't accept the discount because the opportunity cost which is higher than the market borrowing rate. If you compare these two options, it's almost same. One is like S, another one is no. So that's the thing. So let's dive into the question, like I mean explanations. Most important tips, like read the last line every time. Like this question is different scenario. Like obviously, if you read also, which of the following decision should the company take? So the question is like A, B, C, D is the options. I mean question and options. So find the irrelevant information. Yeah, because let me show the irrelevant information. The supplier of the company provides a cash discount at 110 and 40. The other supplier offers 310 and 40 because it's irrelevant. That's the reason I strike off. I made this take off. If you look properly, it's not irrelevant. It's not relevant. It's irrelevant. Why? While selecting the supplier, you can check everything. Like you make enter into contract, everything will be done. After that, you made a purchase from the supplier. This supplier. So at the discount, he is offering a discount. So it's not the other supplier offered 3/10. If you look on the face of it, you can say the other supplier discount is good because it's offering 3/10. While comparing to this, you are getting almost 2% excess discount. But the question is tricky because before selecting a supplier, you may go for auction, tender, something, any mode of traditional way or modern way, whatever the way, they have selected the supplier. That's the thing about this. Because you can understand everything. This is important. So the supplier of the company provides a cash discount. That's the thing. Like you need to take the second line is irrelevant. So you need to compare you need to find the opportunity cost for this, and you need to compare it to 15%, and you need to say whether you need to accept the cash discount or else. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, let me show the explanations and the calculation how to find the cash discounts. Obviously, you know about it. Still, I'm making the thing for the person who don't know. Okay, like many of them are of it. How to read this? Like this is the thing they gave 1/10 and 40. 1 is nothing but the discount. 10 is nothing but the time period to accept the discount. If you make the payment within 10 days, you can avail the discount of 10%, or else you need to make the payment within 40 days. Practically, you need to divide it 10 plus 30. Yeah, 10 is discount period and 30 is the time. So if you add completely, like that will become your credit period. That's the thing. So be sure of it. They may ask some tricky questions in any type of questions. That's why I'm kind of explaining everything. So this is the formula. What is the thing? Like you can call it as opportunity cost because you are sacrificing it. Okay, that's the thing. Or else you can call it as effective annual interest rate, which is the formula is discount by 100 minus discount into 365 divided by P. P is nothing but the difference between the time beyond the discount period. Nothing but after, if you accept the discount, you need to pay within 10 days to accept the discount. Or else you need to make the payment within 40 days. The difference 10 and 40. That is nothing but the difference, that the P value. So let me show it in this thing. So 1 is nothing but the percentage, discount percentage, 10 is the discount period, and the total, the credit period is 40. The difference between these two is 30. Cash the same, 3 is nothing but the 3%, the 10 is nothing but the discount period, the 40 is nothing but the net payment period, like the credit period 40 days. The difference is nothing but 30. Okay. So if you apply it in the formula, you will get 12.29% and 37.37. As you know, this information is irrelevant. Obviously, we are not selecting because we already selected the supplier. This is my supplier as hypothetically. I already selected based on contract or tenure, something based on something. I selected him. Right now, he is offering me discount. So it's irrelevant information. So ignore it. So answer is this. The important thing. So the question mislead you sometimes. You need to be little bit careful about it. Okay, let me show you the formula. Like you need to take the 1%, and if you minus 100 minus 1%, okay, into 365 divided by, what's the thing? Like you need to take 40 minus 10. Okay, 1 is nothing but the 1%. Same 1% goes here. 365 number of days in a year. If they are given 360 in the question, take it 360. Okay, 40 is nothing but the total period they offered, the credit period. 10 is the discounted period. So if you take and use the calculator, I mean, if you do the workings, you will get 12.29%. If you compare it with the 15%, which is lesser than the, I mean, 15%, it's greater than 50%. You can accept, but it's not the thing, it's irrelevant. So I don't need it. So whether you need to accept the cash discounts or not, no, because 12.29 is the opportunity cost, 15% is the interest. So if it's more than 15, okay, you can think, okay, I can accept. So it's advisable not to accept this discount thing. So almost I explained everything. Even I made the explanations and workings. Yeah, you can pause it and watch it. And I explained it in different videos. Yeah. What will happen? So I will go to the end, like cash outflow. If you accept the discount, you need to pay. I mean, you need to total net 9,889. Without discount, you will pay 865. I mean, the values. Let me show it. Like I need to use different class. Sorry. Okay. 986, 865, 889. Obviously, it's like the payment is more in the discount conditions, so less in the without discount. So you need to accept without discount. Yeah, it's explanations, but on the face you can understand it. That's the reason I have also explained it. The savings, net total, everything after making every adjustment, I can like the saving is more in the case of without discount option. So you are almost saving $134.68. But with discount, you will just save $11. Okay, that's the thing. So it's best to decline the offer. I don't want the discount. So can go without the discount. So already explained in different video. I hope you understood this question. Thank you. That's it. Like option A is the answer. You need not to accept the cash discount because the opportunity cost is less than the market rate. I mean, market borrowing rate. Okay, that's the important thing. Thank you.